This is 3D Printing at Home. I'm Mike.
I'm Amanda.
Today we're going to be post-processing this again. We did the ethyl acetate
Alternative to acetone.
the other night. So now we're going to be doing fire. We're going to play with fire with this one. So what we're going to do is heat up this outer shell and try to smooth it out and make it shiny. We did smooth out the layers, the layer lines with the ethyl acetate. So I want to try to make it shiny. So here we go. Let's try it. So I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm not going to, because I don't have PPE tonight. So you would want to wear like a welding glove or something like that if you're going to hold on to it. Other than that, you could put it on something non-flammable and do it. But let's try this. Yeah, try it. No. What? We got a little close there. It did shine it up a little bit, but not the shiny that I'm looking for. Got a little close right here. It changed the color a little bit. You can kind of see that in the video. But you know what? It is kind of shiny. It does have that silk sheen to it, but so I'm gonna say that's kind of a bust, wouldn't you? I kind of changed the color, so we're not going to use a torch. Okay, so this thing is out. Let's try.
Work.
Didn't really work. Changed the color too much. It did make it shiny though. It definitely made it shiny. I might have got a little too close. But we're gonna try the heat gun. We're not gonna put a fire in them. We're gonna put a heat gun.
Still want to be very careful with heat gun. Don't want to put it directly on a surface when it's going.
Exactly. You want to put it down, standing up, which we could actually do a project with. Like I said, you don't want to stay in one spot. You want to move around. Because that will change the color if you don't move around. It'll burn it. It'll melt it. See, I did kind of burn it a little bit, so you want to be a little far away from it.
Post-processing adventures.
Post-processing adventures.
The alternative to the alternative to the alternative.
What not to do. That's what we're doing. We're not doing how-to videos. We're doing how not to videos.
This is a how not to video tonight. But if you stay subscribed, perhaps someday we'll show you what to do.
Something viable. But hey, we can have fun with this.
Anything is worth a try.
That's what it's all about. It's all about experimenting and trying and try different things. That's how we learn how to do these things.
Best part is we'll make all the mistakes so you don't have to.
So there again, it changes the color too much. So I think the other thing we're going to try eventually is to sand it with like a 1000 grit sandpaper and some water. Do like a wet sand.
Okay.
And we'll see if that smooths it and shines it up. Basically, essentially, you're going to polish it. But you can't polish it too fast because the material will melt. And then you'll clog the paper and melt it and mess up the surface. So when you're sanding, you want to use a hand sand and not use a power sander. So yes, it started lifting. You'll see it. It started lifting one of the layers. It got too hot. So we're not going to use heat. We're going to try using 1000 grit sandpaper. Yeah, so shut that up. We're going to try using the wet sanding with 1000 grit. And see if we can shine that up. I don't have any 1000 grit, so we're not going to continue that on this video. We're going to end this video now. Like and subscribe. Hopefully this video quality and audio quality is better this time. I know my previous videos, has been a little iffy. So like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.